And I think it's important because another part of addiction is when we talk about quick fix and we talk about, I'd even, in the moment example, talking about human behavior, it's not this or this or this or this. All these things are interconnected. And that interconnectivity and that understanding that is not just linear data that says, oh, well, narcissism's addiction. Okay. It's actually having to understand these things on a core level, on an energetic recognition level. So we're using words. I'm using words to explain these things, but we feel it on an energetic level. And to understand and connect the words to the energy and to understand this on a core level, to understand where the narcissism addiction, understanding these things and understanding this human behavior. And it's not a short conversation, and it's not only a 2-hour conversation tonight. It's understanding our species. And that's one of the core things why the narcissist exists, is because of lack of understanding, right? Because there's a part where everyone's complaining about the idiots and the nitwits. So wait a second. That means the nitwits are our problem. The idiots are giving us a problem. That's our challenge. If we can't outwit the nitwits, what does that mean? That's on us. We're trying to get the nitwits to grow up. We need to outgrow the nitwits, is what's going on. The nitwits are not doing their understanding. They're not doing their human behavior analysis. My observation is that that's what life is telling us to do. Understand these things. Understanding is the way to start alleviating and to start being able to speak to these things and understand where someone's coming from and where they're not going. Is that platform for healing, is the platform for helping that medicine to help people grow out of their fear-based mindset, to grow out of narcissism, to grow out of addiction, and embrace wellness.